Hi guys, so I am going to talk about strategy 16, cooperative writing. I chose the cooperative drawing activity. So basically, you will give the students a piece of paper, and normally they'll get colored markers, but I decided we're just going to do it in pencil. And we'll have whatever the teacher wants to do for time. So I'm going to give us about a minute, and you can either just let it go and just let the students draw whatever they want, or the teacher can give a theme for the drawing. So basically, it's however long the teacher wants it to go on. So after a minute, then we'll pass our drawings, and then we'll start drawing whatever we think should go next onto the picture, whatever you want, kind of, but it has to be school appropriate. Gotta make sure the kids know that. Once we finish, we will give the paper back to the original owner, and they will write a couple sentences to a paragraph of what they think is going on in the picture. You can also label the objects, people, and animals with English words. You're trying to use as much English as you can for your ELO learners. If they aren't very good with their writing yet, they can describe it to a partner beside them. Or you can also create a little art show by posting the pictures around the classroom walls and having the students go around writing quick responses on sticky notes to put on the pictures. What could go wrong with this is the sticky notes. You have to make sure that students are saying school appropriate things, and with the pictures it has to be school appropriate, so making sure there's no like crazy thing that the students are making or anything. So I'm going to start a 1-minute timer, and we are going to draw a picture that we think will be from a fairy tale. And once we are done with our minute, once my little timer on my watch goes off, then we will switch papers and we will draw for about a minute something else. But the second time we have to draw either a person or an animal. And then we will give each other the paper back, and we'll write a couple sentences about what we think is happening in our picture. But I want our theme to be fairy tale, because we're talking about fairy tales. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Set, go. We have about 30 seconds left.
Ooh, I don't know if I can do it.
And that's our timer.
Aww.
So, as we can tell, it doesn't have to look pretty because we don't have that much time. So we will pass our paper to the other person. Are you ready?
Sure.
Do you need some time to think about what you're going to draw?
Sure now.
Okay, ready? And make sure we're drawing either a person or animal in this as well. Okay, set, go. 10 seconds. And that's our timer. And we are going to give our papers back. And we're going to write a story to the side about what we think is going on in this picture. Just write a couple sentences. Are you all done?
Yep.
Would you like to show yours and say your sentences about your picture?
A fairy princess was traveling home to see her family. It was a dark night on the other side of the galaxy.
Look at the picture. So, not a very crazy strategy. It's really easy for students, and you can definitely take up a little bit more time with this, but for video purposes, we tried to keep it a little short. So, and this helps with them being able to comprehend what's going on in the picture, but also being able to write sentences about the picture. So, that is all I have.